How to use YouTube without Google account. So if you want to use your YouTube without a Google account, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your YouTube. You can go with your YouTube application if you have the application, or you can just simply go with your browser and then just go with youtube.com. Once you're on your youtube.com, you'll have this kind of interface. You can just simply go with search any videos. Once you've searched the videos, as you can see that you'll be able to just watch the videos or just use your YouTube. But as you can see that I've not signed into my account. So you can just use YouTube, or you can just watch the videos, but you won't be able to like or comment, or you won't be able to upload the videos if you don't have an account. So in order to add something on your YouTube account, or if you want to have a YouTube account, then what you need to do is just go with sign in, which is on the top right. It will basically take you to this kind of interface. So under this, you need to just go with create account, and you can go with for your personal use or for your child or for your work or your business. And you need to enter your first and last name. After that, go with next, and then enter your date of birth, your gender, and then go with next. And here you need to enter your email address. So if you don't want to use your Google account, or if you don't want to use your existing Google account, then you can create a new Google account, or you can also go with your Yahoo Mail. So enter your Yahoo Mail and then go with next, and proceed with the password, create a password, and then confirm with your mobile number. And after verifying and after confirming, your account will be created, and you'll be able to use your YouTube. But without creating an account, you won't be able to upload videos or like someone's videos or comment on them. So instead of creating mail address, you can just simply go and use your existing Yahoo mail address, and you'll be able to create an account and use your YouTube. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.